Yeah, boys. Ha ha ha. It's Thursday. That's right. We're almost done with the week. Almost. Here we are. Look at this scenery. You gotta be kidding me. This is my office. This is my office. Elite landscape style, baby. End of the day, boys are all tired. Rolling through some grass. Ha! Rolling through some grass. 2 Scag strong. 3 hard-working men. Yeah. That's what we do. See. Let's go home, boys. Oh yeah, just a little bit of stepping, just a little bit of walking. Sure is beautiful out here. When you're running your own business, things change on a day-to-day basis. You never know what to expect. All of a sudden, having a good day, bam, something breaks. You know how it goes. Today was a good day. A real good day. Knock it out. Alright guys, we're done for the day. All done. Extremely productive day. Even though we had a late start. Extremely productive. When I do that route by myself, it takes me about 11 hours. Having Ian and dog with me changes the game a lot. I don't feel dead at the end of the day. I used to weed eat, blow, mow, do everything, and pull weeds at all these places by myself. Having these 2 guys, amazing. Amazing feeling. And it just goes to show you, you can do anything you put your mind to. Ha-ha! Look who's busy, busy. Oh yeah. Look at that. Been working hard. Did you get everything sanded? All of them? No.
There's 3 sitting over there that still need work done. There's one that's done. The first coat of poly is on the table. I've sanded this one, and that one's complete other than the poly on the seat.
Awesome.
So,
Awesome.
it's a little harder to do the coats on these because it's a lot of work. But by the time you get to the other side, you can start all over again. So, yeah.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, you're doing a lot of good work.
Trying.
Look at that. Look how good it looks. Here, I'm gonna go over here and show you a chair. Cool. This is the before chair. Isn't that? That's what the whole table looks like. Yeah, it's looking good. Look, we're gonna pull a finish it. Can I touch this? Can I touch this?
Just don't touch the paint. Yeah, you can touch the stain.
Oh yeah, look. One-handed. Ta-da! Look at that. Beautiful. Looks good. Look at that. Yeah. That stuff looks nice. That's really good, baby.
Thank you. This one I messed up and I have to fix. Which would be why there's only one done as opposed to more. And if y'all can't see the mess up, I'm not pointing it out. Just say it got messed up. So I must have did okay fixing it. That's all I can say.
It's good. I've seen this girl work hard for a long, long time. Been together since high school. She's just amazing. She's put up with me for 28 years and raised 3 boys. Hard work. That's what I'm saying. What is it? What hurts? Everything else. Time taking. That's why I don't like painting.
I don't mind it. I don't like it when
The music.
you can't take the music off the stage.
No, you can't. It doesn't
It
work
kind of
right.
sucks. I kind of did half and half. And then my friend died.
Good work. She knows how much my grandmother meant to me. We had a special bond. She's a hard worker.
Obsessive first.
Yeah, no. Only up till hours and hours. Hours and hours.
I stopped painting at 2:30, right? I took a shower at 2:30. Yes.
Yeah, you
It's at
did.
2:30.
You stopped at 2:30.
I went to bed at 3. Yes, I stopped painting.
The chair's nice. It really is.
I'm happy. I'm not disappointed. Now that I fixed that one, I'm not disappointed. I was very unhappy until I fixed it.
She said it's like fixed it. Look at the difference.
Huh?
That's cool. You can see the difference between.
Yeah.
Always, always put in the effort to show your loved ones how much they mean to you every day of your life. She didn't have to do this. We could have used that table a long time, been just fine. But she's been waiting to do this. She's been wanting to do this for a long, long time for me. And here we are. It's looking beautiful. Soulmates for life. I love you, baby. How many times have we cut these yards? How many times have we cut these yards? Once, twice, sometimes 3. Sounds like the same kind of thorough job. Right? This table. Good. Got the chairs in the back. Ready for their
Tomorrow's project.
Tomorrow's project
Tomorrow's project is finishing all the chairs.
All the chairs.
All the chairs. We're done.
Those chairs. Yeah. Y'all are looking over there at the steel equipment and the pesky stuff. Chairs. They're gonna look like this, baby.
Yes.
Woo-hoo-hoo. Grandma's furniture's looking good. It's good stuff, girl. Good stuff. So ready to call it a night?
We are definitely ready to call it a night.
What are we going to do?
Take a shower.
Take a shower, get cleaned up.
Yes.
Been a long day. Look how much work she did, how much progress she got done. Tables looking good. Chairs. Those chairs, boys. Look at that. Woo! Man. Remember, that was real wood. Look how it turned out. Stunning. You're amazing. Just amazing.